All right, this is Module 5, Lesson 2. We're going to talk about theoretical probability. Now, to find the theoretical probability, you're going to always write this capital P, meaning probability. The event that you are going to be finding the probability of is going to go in parentheses. And then to find it, you are going to have the number of times that happens over the total number of times that something is done. So let's go through some examples. It says, number 1, there are 6 equally likely outcomes if a number cube or a dice is with sides labeled 1 through 6 is rolled. It says, find the probability of rolling a 6. 6 is in parentheses. So find the probability of rolling a 6. So we're always going to start off with probability of 6 equals. Now, you're going to ask yourself how many 6s are on a dice, and that would be 1. There are 6 total sides, so the probability of getting a 6 is 1 over 6. Now, that's the fraction. So to find the decimal, we're going to take 1 and we're going to divide it by 6. We're going to change it to a decimal, which would be 0.166, repeating. Now, this 7 just is because the calculator rounds it. It's not actually a 7. It just means that 6 is repeating. Now, we're going to make this a percent by moving it over twice. So 16.6 repeating percents. So fraction, decimal, and percent. All right, part B says find the probability of rolling a 2, 3, or 4. So start with capital P, 2, 3, or 4. So you're going to ask yourself, how many times can you get 2, 3, or 4? Well, there are 3 of them out of the 6 total numbers. We're going to reduce that to 1/2. 1/2 is 0.5 as a decimal. Move it over twice and you get 50%. So this is all based on facts, like what we know about a dice or what we know about something. It's based on facts. Number 2, if one letter is chosen at random from the word refuse, what is the probability that it will be an E? So probability of E. There are 2 E's in the word. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Now that does reduce to 1/3. If it doesn't ask you to find percents and decimals, you don't have to. You can just leave it as a fraction. Number 3, the sides of a number cube are labeled 2, 4, 8, 9, 4, and 7. Number cubes thrown once. What is the probability of a 7? So probability of 7. There's 1 7 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And like I said, it doesn't have to be written as a decimal or a percent. So let's just leave it as 1/6. All right, so this is theoretical probability based on facts. I want you to go ahead and try the problem set for homework tonight, and we'll go over that in class tomorrow.